Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best nail Dremel is probably one of the most essential tools for small dog owners. Trimming your dog's nails can be a daunting task, but with the right tools, it doesn't have to be. In this video, we'll dive into the world of dog nail Dremels, specifically designed for small breeds, and explore what makes them stand out, so you can keep your furry friend happy and healthy. Number 5. AVID Power 8V Cordless Rotary Tool. This cordless rotary tool has an 8V battery, providing strong and consistent power. You can adjust the speed from 5,000 to 25,000 revolutions per minute to meet your needs. Remember to use lower speeds for delicate tasks like dog nail trimming. It's a cordless tool with a rechargeable 8V battery and charger. The battery charges quickly, usually within 1 to 2 hours. The spindle lock makes it easy to change the rotary bits. This tool features 4 front LED lights to illuminate your work, especially helpful in low-light situations. It also operates with low noise, making it ideal for sensitive tasks like grooming dogs, without scaring them. The tool's anti-slip rubber handle provides a comfortable grip for better control. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to handle delicate tasks, reducing fatigue compared to other tools. This rotary tool comes with 60 accessories, stored in a plastic case. These accessories are useful for various projects, including grinding, cutting, sanding, carving, polishing, and drilling. What we like. This rotary tool offers a powerful motor with adjustable speeds, letting you customize the experience. The built-in LED lights and soft noise design make it easier to see and less stressful for your dog. If you have a dog with thick nails or need a versatile tool for other DIY projects, you should consider this. What people say. It fits perfectly into your hand, so it's easy. It's pretty lightweight, you can adjust the speed accordingly to nail sizes or just how dogs react to the noise. It's cordless. The light is useful. The adjustable power settings help me file down different thicknesses of nails. It's tough enough to not break after being dropped. It feels heavy enough in the hand, but not too heavy to cause hand fatigue. It has plenty of power and anything you need comes with it. I totally sculpted my nails, flattening out the raised high ridges and drilling down the thickness. Being wireless, not overly heavy or large, easy to manipulate, helped more than I thought. Number 4. ONEISALL 2-in-1 Dog Grooming Kit. This amazing kit combines a paw trimmer and nail grinder, making it the perfect all-in-one solution for your pet's paw care. It's designed to make grooming easier and more efficient. The trimmer features an LED light, illuminating those hard-to-see areas. This ensures precision and comfort for your pet, especially when trimming sensitive areas like paws, eyes, and ears. The nail grinder offers 2 speed settings, allowing you to adjust to your pet's nail thickness. Dual LED lights provide added visibility, ensuring a safe and effective grooming experience every time. Designed for noise-sensitive pets, this kit operates at a whisper-quiet 35 dB. The motor ensures fast yet gentle trimming, keeping even the most timid pets calm and comfortable during grooming. Forget about constantly changing batteries. This kit is USB rechargeable and provides up to 60 minutes of use for the trimmer and 360 minutes for the grinder. It's always ready when you need it. What we like. This kit combines a paw trimmer and nail grinder, offering a complete grooming solution. Its ultra-low noise design is perfect for noise-sensitive pets, ensuring a calm experience. If you are looking for an all-in-one grooming tool with a long-lasting battery, you should consider this. What people say. Both the trimmer and grinder came fully charged and I used straight out of the package. My dogs weren't scared because they were both so quiet, even my puppy who is usually squirming throughout her grooms. Great product. I feel like this size trimmer finished off the grooms so well because their little paws are usually so hard to get in between. Number 3. PAPIFEED Electric Dog Nail Grinder. This nail grinder is designed for all dogs, big or small. You can easily select the appropriate speed to trim your dog's nails safely and effectively. It makes the grooming process much easier. The grinder operates quietly, producing less than 50 decibels, thanks to its noise reduction design. Your dog won't be scared or anxious during the nail trimming process. It ensures a calm and efficient experience. Equipped with dual LED lights, this grinder makes it easier to see what you're doing. The lights help you observe the trimming process and avoid any injuries to your dog. It provides a safe and convenient nail trimming experience. It features safe nail sharpening ports suitable for different dog sizes. The USB charging cable allows you to charge it conveniently anywhere. You can use it anytime, anywhere. With upgraded motors, it offers up to 4 hours of continuous use after just 1 hour of charging. It's easy to hold and operate, making it perfect for beginners. It allows you to take care of your pet's nails anytime, anywhere. What we like. This grinder features 3 adjustable speeds to suit different nail types, ensuring a safe trim. The dual LED lights provide excellent visibility, and the quiet operation keeps your dog calm. If you like a grinder with multiple speed settings and good visibility, you should consider this. What people say. I love how quiet it is and my dog stays relaxed through the whole grinding process. It grinds my dog's nails down quickly so I don't have to spend much time at all doing his nails. This nail grinder is pretty quiet while in use. This grinder will handle a large dog's paw nails easily. The added light makes doing nails much easier. Number 2. CHWWEN Electric Pet Nail Grinder. Introducing the CHWWEN Nail Grinder, designed for safe and painless nail trimming. It uses an advanced diamond drum bit to gently grind your pet's nails. This ensures a stress-free grooming experience for your furry friend. This nail trimmer offers 2 speed settings and 3 grinding ports. You can easily adjust it to suit your pet's size and nail type. It provides optimal nail care for small, medium, and large pets. Say goodbye to loud clippers. This grinder operates with minimal noise and vibration. This feature is perfect for pets who are sensitive to traditional grooming tools, reducing their anxiety. The built-in safety guard prevents overgrinding, keeping your pet safe. The LED light clearly indicates the charging status. It's designed with your pet's safety and your convenience in mind. This cordless nail clipper has a long-lasting battery, providing up to 3 hours of use per charge. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making it perfect for home or travel. You can use it without plugging in after fully charged. What we like. This nail trimmer prioritizes safety with its design, ensuring a painless experience. The low noise and vibration features help reduce pet anxiety. If you have a sensitive pet or are new to nail trimming, you should consider this. What people say. Low noise and vibration. This is a game changer for pets that hate loud noises. 2 speed settings, great for control, low speed for small pets or sensitive paws, high speed for thicker nails. Protective guard. The built-in guard helps prevent overgrinding and keeps the process safe, especially if you're new to nail trimming. Number 1. Dremel 7350 Pet and 7760 Dog Nail Grinder Attachment. This attachment provides a safe and painless experience for your dog. It's designed with a gentle texture, making it ideal for puppies and dogs with sensitive nails. This helps keep your dog's nails healthy. This diamond bit is compatible with several Dremel models, including the 4000, 7350 Pet, 7020 PGK, 7760 PGK, 7760 Lite, and 7760 Petwell. It also fits the Micro 8050 and Dremel 480 with a 1/8 collet and flex shaft. It's versatile and easy to use. The premium grinding material resists wear, ensuring extended use. This saves you money and time. It's a high-quality diamond bit designed specifically for dogs' nails and does not overheat easily. The special surface design helps reduce noise and pet stress during nail trimming. The diamond metals material ensures sturdiness and durability. This attachment is designed for a comfortable experience for your pet. This attachment is very efficient and saves time, eliminating the need for sandpaper. It easily attaches to your Dremel attachment dog nail grinder. You can easily polish nails using its side surfaces, nails shaping concave surfaces, head surfaces, and even edges. What we like. This attachment is designed for a smooth and comfortable grinding experience. The diamond bit ensures long-lasting durability, saving you time and money. If you like a grinder attachment that is easy to use and provides a safe experience, you should consider this. What people say. The nail grinder is very quiet. It has a guard to protect the dog's nails. It is easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.